Welcome back to SuccessGlow Skincare, your daily dose of glow. No filter needed. Today, I will share the best night skincare routine to help your skin rest, repair, and wake up radiant. Step 1. Remove makeup and cleanse. Always start by removing your makeup and cleansing your skin. At night, your skin collects dirt, oil, and pollution. So cleansing makes sure your pores can breathe. Use a gentle cleanser suited for your skin type. Step 2. Apply toner. Always apply a hydrating toner. It helps balance your skin's pH and prepares it to absorb the next product more effectively. Step 3. Treatment serum. Use a treatment serum. At night, your skin repairs itself. So this is the best time for serums with ingredients like retinol for anti-aging or niacinamide for brightening. Choose based on your skin's needs. Step 4. Moisturize. Lock everything in with a nourishing moisturizer. At night, go for a slightly richer cream than your morning one, so your skin stays hydrated until morning. Step 5. Eye cream or oil. Don't forget the delicate skin around your eyes. An eye cream or a drop of facial oil helps reduce puffiness and fine lines while you sleep. And that is it. A simple night routine for healthy, glowing skin. Stay consistent, stay glowing. This is SuccessGlow Skincare signing off until next time.